In this lecture, we are going to learn that how can we install G++ and GCC compilers for C++ and C programming language. So it's very easy. All you have to do is just go ahead and write sudo apt install G++ and GCC. Hit enter. And here you can see it's telling me that your G++ is already the newest version and your GCC is already the newest version, right? So just like Python, if you want to see the version, or if you want to see that if both of these compilers are installed correctly or not, you can go ahead and check their versions with -- version flag. And here you can see that G++ is 11.3.0 and GCC is also -- version, and GCC is also 11.3.0, right? So that means our G++ and GCC, both compilers have been installed successfully on the Ubuntu operating system. And quite frankly, if you are using a new version of Ubuntu, then it's probably already installed in your operating system, right? Okay, so now let's just go ahead and see that how we can work with C programs with the help of this terminal, and use GCC or G++ to compile the C or C++ programs respectively. So first of all, let's just go ahead and create a file, right? Or let's just go to desktop first. And here we will use touch to create a file, and we will name it C++.cpp. I just hit enter, and here you can see we have C++.cpp file, right? I'll just open it, and we will write a very simple C++ program, and we will say that include IO stream. Then we will write using namespace std, and then we will write int main, and inside these curly brackets we will write cout hello world, and we'll close it with end line, and at the end we will write return 0. Now the scope of this course is not C++, so I will not explain what we are doing here. I'll just this is just a simple C++ program in which we are trying to print hello world, right? So this is a header file. Okay, so I'll just close this program, and here you can see the icon of the CPP file has been changed, right? Now it's showing me that it's a C++ file. Okay, so I just put it on the left hand side of the desktop. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to compile this file, right? So we can compile C++ files with G++, and after that we will write the name of the file which we want to compile, and then we will go ahead and hit enter. Okay, so I think that we wrote the name wrong. It is IO stream, right? So just change the spellings, and then we will rerun this. Okay, so here you can see we have this executable now with us, right? So I'll again put it on the left hand side so it's more clear. Okay, so all you have to do is just write on the terminal / and then the name of the executable file, right? So as a default, it gives you the name as a.out, right? You can name it anything you want, but right now we'll just go ahead and write. As soon as we executed it, we got our output, which is hello world. So that is how you can use G++ to work with C++ files in Ubuntu.